Hello, in this video we will talk about graphing a line in a standard form of ax plus by equals to c using intercepts. So the algorithm for graphing using x and y intercepts. First you find x-intercept by setting y equals to 0 and solving for x. Then you find y-intercept by setting x equals to 0 and solving for y, and you draw a line through the 2 points, and you check your work by calculating a third point. So in this example, we're going to graph 3x minus 2y equals to 6 and check. Let's begin with drawing and labeling x and y axes. So the first thing we're going to do is find x-intercept by setting y equals to 0, so the point is 0 instead of y, and we are calculating x. We take the original equation of 3x minus 2y equals to 6 and substitute 0 for y. This will give us 3x. Negative 2 times 0 is 0 equals to 6. This gives us 3x equals to 6. Out of 3, and x is equal to 2. So when y is 0, x is equal to 2. So when y is 0, x is 2. This is our first point. Second point will be our y-intercept, and we will calculate it by setting x equals to 0. So right now we have 0 for x, and we are calculating y. And to calculate y-intercept, we take original equation, which is 3 times x minus 2y equals to 6. We substitute 0 for x, and we get 3 times 0 is 0 minus 2y equals to 6. This gives us negative 2y equals to 6. Out of negative 2, negative divided by a negative is positive, 2 and 2 will cancel, and we have y equals to 6 divided by negative 2 is negative 3. So the second point is 0, negative 3. So when x is 0, y is negative 3 here. So let's draw a line through these 2 points. And this is our solution. So in order to check, we're going to calculate a third point. It does not matter which x or y value you choose to substitute. I'm going to pick x equals to 4 because it looks like the answer should be 3. I'm going to check that x equals to 4 will give us this point over here. Let's take 3x minus 2y equals to 6, and I'm going to substitute 4 instead of x. So we get 3 times 4 is 12 minus 2y equals to 6. Minus 12 minus 12, and we get negative 2y equals to 6 minus 12 gives us negative 6. Out of negative 2, so this cancels, and we get y is equal to negative 6 divided by negative 2, positive 3. So when x is 4, y is 3 in this function, and it falls on this graph that we drew, which means we calculated x and y intercepts correctly. That's all.